99. Hey, this is Tim, 99 4.0. If you have one with a, don't want to start when it's cold sometimes, and has erratic idle, and it'll idle kind of up and down. We're going to be changing the idle air control valve on here. Unplug it right there, of course. That's your valve right here. We'll I'll show you the new one when it comes in, and I'll show you the difference. And we're going to also undo this negative side on this battery on here. All right, always undo your battery about 10 minutes. Then you want to keep your wheel straight. You're gonna crank it up, let it run for a little while, keep your wheel straight, let it relearn everything. No more sporadic idles, no more not starting when it's cold. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on, Tim's Auto.